If you have recently asked us to reset your parent account password, you will need to log into PowerSchool to complete a password reset. And here's how to do that. So you'll enter your username that we gave you in the username field, and then the default password that we gave you in the password field, and click sign in. And you should see this change your password screen. And you'll want to put that default password we gave you in this current password field. And then you're going to use a new password in both of the other two fields, something that you will remember and or something that you have stored in your password manager. So you can create a secure password that way. So once you have the default password we gave you in the current password field and your personal new password in both of the new password fields, click enter. And you should see all of your students listed at the top of the screen. So you can switch from one student to the next. And that is how you take care of your password reset.